Hey everyone, today we're going to show you how to order prescription lenses for your Rokid glasses and how to install them once they arrive. Quick note before we start, Rokid glasses use a dedicated magnetic clip-on prescription frame. Instead of swapping the lenses in the glasses themselves, you'll order a custom prescription frame and then clip it onto the inside of your Rokid glasses. The whole process is simple, and you can do it yourself at home. Let's start with ordering. Go to the lens service page on the Rokid website and select the prescription frame for Rokid glasses to begin. First, you'll choose your prescription type. There are two options. Single vision corrects for one distance, either near or far. It's the most common type. Progressive corrects your vision at near, middle, and far distances, all in a single lens. Pick whichever matches your needs. Next, enter your prescription details. Fill in the values for both eyes, OD for your right eye and OS for your left eye, including SPH, CYL, and axis. If you chose progressive lenses, you'll also enter the ADD value. Then set your pupillary distance, or PD. You can select single PD or dual PD, depending on how your prescription is written. We also recommend uploading a photo of your prescription. That way, our team can double-check that everything matches before we make your lenses. Once everything looks right, tap Save and Continue. After that, you'll choose your lens type, either clear or blue light blocking based on what you need. Next, select the lens index that suits your prescription. A higher index gives you a thinner, lighter lens, which is ideal for stronger prescriptions. Once you've made your selections, you can complete your order. When your prescription frame arrives, installing it only takes a few seconds. Start by taking the frame out of the box. You'll notice the clips are arranged by side, left, and right, so make sure you're holding the right one for each side. The frame also has a front and a back, so just check the orientation before installing. To install, pinch the top and bottom edges of the clip. On the inside of your Rokid glasses, right in the middle near the nose pad, there's a small slot made for the frame. Line it up, insert it into the slot, and let go. The magnets will pull it into place and hold it securely. That's it. Thanks to the magnetic design, it snaps right in, and it's just as easy to take off whenever you need to. The prescription frame is made from premium titanium alloy, lightweight and durable. It supports a wide range of prescriptions, including both myopia and astigmatism, so most users are covered. If you have any questions about ordering or installation, feel free to reach out. You can contact our customer service team at customerservice@rokid.com. We're happy to help. And that's it. We hope your new lenses give you a clearer view through your Rokid glasses. See you next time.